What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be installing on the Crown Vic the rare, highly sought after Go Rhino push bar with HD wraps, baby. Oh yeah.
Now, I do want to make one thing clear, and that's that this is not a quote-unquote how-to video. Hell, there's a bunch of different ways and methods to installing these push bars, and just like finding the correct answer to a math problem using a different method, sometimes my methods, as you guys are soon going to see as this video goes on, might not be considered by the book. But at the end of the day, it still gets the job done. So just watch the video for your entertainment purposes only. Now, in this case, I got extremely lucky because my crash bar already had 2 pre-drilled holes from a previous push bar. At this point, it was just crossing my fingers and hoping they would all align, which thankfully they did.
We can never have any kind of video, car-related video, without some BS problem happening. In this case, we got one of the brackets, but of course the other one's missing. I think it's at the house. My damn dogs always go through my packages and everything, so it's raining. We got to go back to the house, dig through the mud, find that missing bracket, go somewhere else, because of course the place we're at is getting rented out in the middle of a rainstorm on a Saturday. But it is what it is, and we'll be right back for the rest of the video. You gotta love this crap. All right, so now we are back home, and the situation just goes from bad to worse. So it just so happens that that freaking Customs lost my other proper Go Rhino bracket, the driver's side. And of course, that's one of the hardest kind of brackets to come across, especially on a last minute notice. But the Cuban ingenuity never fails. You know why? Because we're gonna make our own damn bracket. It might not be exactly perfect, but it's gonna work. So what we got going on here is we got a set in a bracket, and as you guys can see, we're gonna mount this side up. That side's gonna be properly installed, top and bottom. This side's only gonna have the top installed. I'm gonna have to drill right through here. But the good thing about the HD wrap push bars is that they also mount to the side of the fender. So there'll be one screw missing from the bottom, but believe me guys, I've seen much worse. This is gonna be interesting. Of course, something always has to go wrong, but I'm used to that. I was kind of expecting that to happen. So now the only thing left to do is see if this homemade bracket for a Go Rhino push bar is gonna work. There's only one way to find out. Here we go. Time. Let the drilling commence.
So after managing to somehow miraculously find some kind of bracket and literally just ghetto rig it together, thank you UPS for losing my other bracket. It's time for the hard part. Actually, no, that was the hard part. Screw that. This is going to be the easy part. Installing this center push bar right here. It's actually going to be quite easy. Actually, it turned out to be a huge pain in the ass as well. But somehow I managed to pull it all together. And after installing that center push bar, after that, it was just a matter of screwing in a couple bolts for the HD wraps on the left and on the right. And slowly but surely, this somehow crazy day that everything has gone wrong, getting kicked out of the place where we were originally doing the work to stay out of the rain, because a bunch of old ladies decided they wanted to rent out a senior center to throw a party in the middle of a Saturday morning with an ice storm literally in the horizon. And then after that, we found out that freaking UPS lost my damn driver's side bracket. So this day has just been a complete disaster, and somehow, some way, I always manage to make things work. I have to give a huge thanks to my Cuban ingenuity. It's in my blood. My people are just really good at just putting crap together that shouldn't be put together. And it might not be the best looking thing, but we somehow made it work. And as you guys are soon going to see, it doesn't look half bad.
And finally, the damn push bar is installed. Oh my God, the trouble that I had to go through to install this damn thing is unreal. So to recap, we pretty much got kicked out by a group of old senior ladies who were gonna throw a party at the senior center that we were using to not get rained on. They kicked us out because they were gonna throw a party. Who the hell rents a senior center to party on a weekend during a winter storm? You gotta love it. And then after that, the second passenger side bracket that we needed ended up getting lost by UPS, so I had to literally Cuban engineer myself a bracket, which I'm actually quite happy with the way that it came out. And just so many other things that went wrong along the way, but I gotta say, I'm loving it. And that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for the next video because that's when I'm actually gonna be installing all the strobes, light bars, and even siren on that push bar right there. And I don't want you guys missing out because it's gonna be freaking awesome. I finally got the push bar back. Now it's just a matter of decking out the push bar. Probably thinking of a light bar right there. Actually, maybe in the bottom. Light bar in the bottom, siren up top, some strobes on the side. Either way, let me know in the comment section down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy, Mr. Random. And on behalf of the Reaper Vic, I'll catch you guys in the next one.